Alright folks, we're doing the Luxe Tempo. This is review number 2 for me. I said that it was a 3-season max, and I realized that was because of my sleeping bag and I was more relying on the tent. So we're doing a blizzard test. We're supposed to get about 6 inches. We're already at probably 3, but it is piling up on here. So I was just going to show you what it looks like. We'll see how dry it is in the inside. Got another Velcro strap right here. This rolls back. And we'll see how we are. Sorry for the bad camera shots. Well, minus the snow that just came off my head, it was completely dry in here so far. I was worried about these vents up top. They seem to be keeping out the snow. I'm just going to tap on the inside here a little bit. I did just bring in a bunch off my back. So any snow that you see in here is literally off of me. It was completely dry in here. So I'm going to get this set up here, get my bag all set up, and then I'll be back with you.